welcome to a sneak peek at the Huckleberry Hound Exploratory rocket. Up on the stand, riveting, are Pixie and Dixie.
Hi, Huck.
And directly below, getting ready for our takedown cruise, is Mr. Jinx. But first, I'm going to shake up the miserable missus. And below Mr. Jinx is Hokey Wolf, that hard-working, I said hard-working.
Yes, indeed, Huck. Hard-working, that's me. Yo!
Right here is the master control panel, which I'm about to check out. How about that? The stand flies better than the rocket. But don't worry, they'll all be back in time for the Huckleberry Hound Show.